Wow.
The first one, I think, is decline.
The
Decline.
first one, decline, of course. So let's try to find some synonyms of decline from the words in the box. So decline is good. And is there any other word that actually has the meaning the same as decline?
In this box, I can find out of the box. Can you hear me, teacher?
Can you hear me? Yeah,
Now,
it's okay
okay.
now. Of course, it's okay now because you know. Okay, well, so decline, fall, and
I mean, like, can I find the word out of the box or just in the box, teacher?
just in the box, just in the box.
Okay. Yeah. Decrease. Yeah. Decrease. Fall.
Decline, okay, decrease, fall, and
Drop.
drop. Very good. Okay, well, let's keep going with the second one. Two actually is changed to four.
Double.
Double. Excellent. Very good. After that, we have number three. That is
I think fluctuate.
fluctuate. Of course, definitely yes. And we have number four.
I think that gain.
Gain and
Increase.
increase and
Is improve.
improve. That's good. And the last one.
Rocket.
Rocket is something different, you know, because, you know, when we say rocket, it means actually increase really quickly, you know,
Yeah.
increasing really quickly. So, but when we say increase or actually improve, of course, we are talking about a general process. So,
Right.
rocket, of course, so increase and rise, of course. Well, now we have number
Teacher,
five.
can I have a
Yes,
question?
of course.
It's like the word gain is what is the collocation of this? It's just gain to collocation of the gain.
Okay, so you want to know a collocation of gain?
Yeah. Gain.
Okay, for example, you know, something like if I want to give you gain over, for example, can be a good collocation. Or normally, you know, we use gain, of course, and actually it should be followed by, you know, something like a noun. Okay. So if I want to talk about collocations, as you know, collocations are a group of combination of words that normally come together. So, but gain actually can be followed by different nouns. So if you want to, for example, special collocation, so maybe you can find, but it's not related to something like diagram or chart. So when you say collocation, would you briefly talk about it? What do you mean when you say collocation?
It's like if we use this word in the chat, is we use gain to or gain at.
Mm-hmm.
Like
You know, for example, we say something like gain two.
gain.
Okay, something like, for example, we say gain entry to, for example, the building or something like this. So gain and to, preposition to is a good preposition, but it's not collocation. And so you need to pay attention to the definition of collocation that is really different from, collocation is combination of two words. These words can be nouns, can be adjectives. Actually, we have different type of collocation that we normally use, especially in speaking. But about gain, when a verb actually is followed by special preposition, we don't say that as collocation. We say this is something sometimes. It can be phrasal verb. Sometimes, no, it's not phrasal verbs. It only has something like a special or particular preposition like to. Gain to, of course, to is a good preposition for gain.
And can you give me the example of collocation to
Yeah,
distinguish from preposition?
of course, of course. Let's finish this part. That is really good to start our speaking section with collocations. I really agree with you. So let's start actually the speaking section with collocation. But let me finish this part. Then actually I close this book and start my speak. Okay. Well, so we have number 5.
Number 5.
4 is changed to 2.
Half.
Of course, very good. And number 6.
Can I take note the word half because this is a new word for me.
Of course, why not?
Yeah. Yes.